We're going to take a look at another database function. This is the function loot. What loot is information that we have gathered from the remote system. I'm going to use another exploit here. I'm going to use the Unreal IRCD exploit. This is a backdoor, meaning there's something in the code that has opened up a port that wasn't expected in this particular service, and that is allowing somebody to connect. So I'm going to use that and going to show my options again. So I need to set my R host to be 192.168.86.68 here. And then I'm just going to run the exploit. I should have a remote shell in just a moment. And sure enough, I've got a command shell open. I've been dumped into Etsy Unreal D. I'm going to background this session, which means it's going to stay running, but it's just running in the background. I'm going to use a post exploitation module, and this is going to be gather hash dump. I'm going to show options. These are modules that you can run post exploitation. And so if I say sessions minus L, I have one. And so if I set session to be one and then I run, I should pull back the hashes. And sure enough, I have. And now all I have to do is say loot. This has all been stored in the database. I still have my shell open in the background, and I have run a post exploitation module in order to acquire the hashes from the system that I have exploited. They have been stored locally now, and I can use these later on to do some password cracking with. You can acquire loot using these post exploitation modules, and they will just automatically get stored in the database that Metasploit has. We can acquire the loot and it will just be there. I can quit out of this and I can drop the shell altogether. I will just have these hashes to be able to do whatever I want to with them later on.